Here you go. Wow. Wow. Nice. Good job, boy. Oh. Oh. Easy. So, okay. We are like clearly in a downtrend. There is some attempt for trend reversal, I would say, but I'm not eating that up. I'm just betting 150 for short. I'm not betting, but I am opening a position. Why am I using the word betting? I'm not gambling, I'm trading. Nice. Okay. $138 of payout, if I'm not wrong. And I believe I'm not wrong. Ooh, damn boy. Like definitely going for sure, but let's bet 288. $288 for long, because I mean we are preparing to create a new high, as well as Vortex signals for long. I mean, I have already received the confirmation from public sort. I mean, here we go. We made the new high, but showed immediately after that. Raising again. Anything above it? Here we go. Freaking like nice. Now 10 seconds. Please just survive right there, right? I'm not letting that to drop that short. Definitely not letting that happening. Here you go. Just 552 right back to my balance, but the payout was 265 almost dollars. Sorry for splitting that. Not splitting, but spitting. Euro and Canadian dollars. We are approaching a strong resistance level at 1.47522, and I don't really believe that we'll be able to break through there, and I'm expecting a rebound. So I would love to go 550 for short. Here you go. The entry point is good enough. It's good enough. Wow. Wow. That was an ugly wow though. I heard it by myself. Okay, nice. 1,200 right now I'm having. The initial balance was 300 if I'm not wrong though. We do have a strong bearish trend right here, so I'm not willing to I'm not willing to trade against it. So going for short, as well as Vortex and Parabolic's they are for decline. So entering a short position right there, right here. So 5 seconds right there, and hopefully that candle ain't coming back, honestly. Nice. Good job, boy. Good job. $1,056 goes back to my balance. Like going for short, definitely, because that bearish candle is abnormal, and after that one, oh my days, easy. I mean, after that volume of buyers, it is almost impossible that the next candle is going red, you know. Now we're looking I mean, right now we're gonna be capitalizing on a quick correction right here. This is what I'm looking for, honestly. 20 seconds left though. 20 seconds left. I mean, that is so weird sometimes. I mean, and this is why you entering the Telegram private group, you know. Some people will go for long anyways, but if you know the situation, if you have that knowledge, you would definitely notice the abnormal situation or unusual things happening in the market, and you're gonna be avoiding all of it. Oh, easy. Like, you know, what do we have? Oh, the same thing, guys. You can see the same thing is happening right here. All right, these candles are not that abnormal. They kind of look all right, but I can see that the sellers are kind of strong, and we are in the overbought situation, in the overbought zone. So why wouldn't I go short if I want to make the profit? So yeah, guys, this is you know, very much important to carefully analyze the whole market, to notice and to communicate with the indicators that you're using. And if you have no idea what your indicators show, then here's the big problem. If you're willing to fix that problem, the easiest choice, the easiest fix, and how do I say, the easiest way to resolve it is just to join my Telegram private group, because I'm giving you the clear and diamond clear explanation and the clarification of the market and of the situations. I'm giving you the patterns and everything, so you better be using it, and you will be satisfied by the amount of information that I'm providing you with. Here you go. I mean, I made $2,715.96 from just $300, guys. This is the result that I'm showing you. This is the result that I want you to be having on a daily basis, or even more. And this is what you can do. You're just denying and rejecting. Maybe someone is stopping you, some thoughts, it might be stopping you. Just give it a try. It's free. The link is going to be below in the description. Leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.